Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am just going to show you guys a different method of doing the free garland, balloon garland. Guys, I use a base which I got from Walmart. If you want to know about that base, look on my first video, my previous video, you'll see that. And then I use the PX from Home Depot. I'm putting the balloon over this pole. It's just a guide for me, and I did a cluster, 6 balloons in total for one cluster. The cluster have 6 balloons in total. In my previous one I did 4, but this I'm doing 6. So 6 balloons in total make one cluster, and I'm adding the clusters to my base. That's all I'm doing in this video, guys. Once you have a design in mind, you would definitely know what you want to do. So you keep adding the balloons, adding the clusters until you get there. That's pretty much it for now. Yes, because clients will be walking in and out, I don't want it to be too big. So I'm just adding few clusters to my garland to make it more fuller. I'm adding the fillers, and the fillers are the small tiny balloons. So if you want to know more about the fillers, check my previous video. Clients wanted me to add some flowers, so that is exactly what I'm doing here. Trying to find the right spot for it. I really didn't know what to do, but I actually figured it out.